Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. It's been a while, hope you guys are doing great. So it's 4 in the morning and we are heading to the airport to pick up one of my friend who is landing from Pune to Bangalore, and he is getting a bag full of vlogging gadgets. So this video is going to be all about unboxing our GoPro. So let's get started. Pimo, bye. Bye. I know the Hero 10 is outdated and soon 11 is gonna launch, and it's the same with DJI Mini 2. The Mini 3 is already out in the market. So these gadgets were purchased in the month of April during the Ramzan sale this year, and it was a bad luck. My friend who had to come during the first week of June, his plans got cancelled and he sent these items through his colleague last month. It was a hell lot of drama and I had to again get it shipped from Mumbai to Bangalore, and finally the day has come. Hello, Steve.
Hello.
I've been researching a lot on the GoPro Hero 10, like the review ratings, performance and the picture quality, and now GoPro claims that it comes with a GP2 processor, which is a powerful hardware change, and there is a significant improvement when compared to Hero 9. A couple of them asked me why the GoPro. Instead I can invest on a camera. Yes, but there may be situations where I end up vlogging with Bemo, and I might be out in the rain, traveling, driving, etc. I can't risk my phone or a huge camera. Instead, let me pick up something handy and super fast to shoot the video.
Yeah. Hi, Steve.
Hey Limre, what's up? Long time.
So we can park here or what?
No, we need to move.
Shut up. Where will you guys go? So nice when it bends.
I'm super excited to unbox the all-new GoPro Hero 10, loaded with amazing features and bunch of other cool stuff. So once I set up the camera, I'm going to test the stability, underwater performance and the video clarity between iPhone 13 and the GoPro. The front view of the package displays the camera model, 23 megapixel, 5.3K video recording, 10 meters underwater filming and the GP2 processor. And the other side of the box, I see informations like what comes inside the box. Moving ahead, we see the App Store information, the cloud storage, and lastly, this side of the box displays the additional features like voice control, 8x slow-mo, live streaming, webcam mode, etc., which is quite interesting. So I think this cover is not required for us anymore. Let's throw it aside. And this case was introduced last year, which comes with GoPro Hero 9, and the GoPro is maintained the same case, which is nice. It's very user-friendly, compatible, and let's get this opened. There are a couple of paper information to update the camera and the quick app details. And this paper displays the information on how to set up the camera, like inserting the battery and how to power on the camera. And here we have the user manual, which can be ignored for now. So there is a USB-C type charging cable, a flat mount which comes with a badging on the front side and at the bottom. This is a curve mount for the helmet, which has a 3M sticker on it. And here we have the battery for our Hero 10, which is compatible with Hero 9 too, and comes with one thumb screw. And these are the standard items which we see in the case. And finally, here we have our GoPro Hero 10 action camera. Let's get rid of these paper wraps, stickers to protect the screen and the lens. A quick walkover on the front side of the camera, which has a front display, the lens next to it, and a speaker below, and the GoPro badging. Previously the Hero 9 had the white badging and the Hero 10 comes with a blue one. And on the side there is a blue badging again, a button to change the modes, and on top there is a button to start and stop the recording. Also there is a small hole for the mic. The backside of the camera comes with a huge touch screen. On the bottom the camera comes with the holders which supports the thumb screw or the mounts. So what's new on the Hero 10 Black? The front lens has a hydrophobic protector on it which helps to repel the dust, water, mud, anything that sits on the lens, and that way you can continue filming on it. Also the lens can be removed or replaced if there is any damages or scratches on it. To open the lens, all we need to tilt it clock or anti-clockwise. To open the side door compartment, all we need to pull down the clip, and that way the compartment moves away from the camera. And this is the spot where the battery gets in, and there is a slot for the memory card and the Type-C charging port. Speaking about the pricing, which is a major factor I had to consider to purchase the camera from Dubai. So it was almost around 30,000. When compared to Indian price, it was around 50,000. So there's a difference of 20k. So guys, finally we are powered on a GoPro, which is all set for vlogging. So previously I was using this wired mic on my smartphone to shoot any videos, but now I have purchased this Boya MM1, which is compact and easy, which goes over the camera. And most of the people have suggested me to go with a shotgun mic, so here it is. But I'm not sure like where this sits on the GoPro. So there is no point for the cable, the mic cable. I'm not sure.
I told you to stop recording.